Hello all, my name is Sudhir Krishna from CICC. Today I am going to give the seminar on the topic OSI layers of computer networks. OSI stands for Open Systems Interconnection, which was proposed by ISO International Organization for Standardization. It is one of the model that was proposed to perform intercommunications, and there are total 7 layers. One among them is application layer. It is performed at a user level. The user can directly interact with the system in order to send the messages and transactions. The protocols involved in the application layer are HTTP, FTP, IRC, SSH, and DNS. HTTP transfers hypertext transfer protocol. FTP stands for file transfer protocol. DNS stands for domain name service. Domain name service is used to convert the IP address to the domain name and domain name to IP address. It is operated at internet provider. And the second layer is presentation layer. It is used for semantics and syntaxes. And the SSL, SSH, IMAP, FTP, MPEG, JPEG are used at the presentation layer. The third layer of OSI model is session layer. It is used for synchronization and for port reporting. APIs, sockets, and WinSock are used in the session layer. At session layer, the data is received from presentation layer and sends it to transport layer. Transport layer is mainly used at end-to-end connections. So the main two protocols used in the transport layer are TCP and UDP. TCP transfer control protocol, transmission control protocol. UDP stands for user datagram protocol. It receives the data from session layer and sends it to network layer. Transport layer adds the port number into the main window. And the next layer is network layer. Network layer, the data is called as packets. The network layer adds the IP address of both source and destination hosts. The protocols involved in the network layer are IP, ICMP, IPSCC, IGMP. IP stands for Internet Protocol. Generally, a combination of TCP in transport layer and IP protocol in network layer are used for good communication. And the next layer is data link layer. It receives the data from network layer and sends to physical layer. In data link layer, the data is called as frames. A frame contains a packet. A packet contains segments. The main protocols, Ethernet and PPP switch and bridge are used at the data link layer. And the last and important layer is physical layer. It deals with the physical structure between two hosts. That means it converts the data into electrical signals or electromagnetic radiations via with the help of cables like optical fiber cable, coaxial cable, twisted pair cable, etc. I hope you all understood the OSI model of 7 layers. Thank you.